Hello, this is Marc Soler for Spotahome.com, Valencia. I'm gonna show you now a very lighty apartment in the Melilla area of Valencia. We are not in the most centric area of Valencia, but we are, there's no doubt we're very close to the center. There is, from like 4 or 5 minutes walk from here, you can get a lot of buses that bring you directly to the center. Even by walk, it's like 15-20 minutes. By walk you can get to Rusafa, and from there to Xàtiva metro station, by Len metro station. So in general, if you're interested, it's to get to the center. We are very close. So I'm going to show you now the apartment. As I said, it's a very light apartment. It is a four rooms apartment with 1 bathroom and 1 toilet. We are in a second floor with elevator, so no worries about that. And well, here it is. This is the main door on my right, and we are in the hall that makes the same work as a living room. We have a sofa with a TV. It is everything, all the apartment is in white, so I like it. I like how it brings more light to the apartment. As we get to the right, we find a huge kitchen. It's very big kitchen with 2 sinks, washing machine, freezer. It comes fully occupied. Yeah, as you can see, we have all the plates and anything we need. We do not have right now microwave. Oh yeah, we have, it's over there. We have microwave, oven, and as I said, washing machine. The views are an internal patio, which is not the best, but as you can see, even today that it's not a very light day, we still have a lot of light. So let's have a look. Yes, and let's keep going. The hall again, and on my right we can find the corridor that I will show you later, and here we're gonna find the room number 1. I mean, come on, it's huge room, double bed. There's some sort of sofa or armchair over there. It's chair with your desk and a quite big wardrobe. Have a proper look. So you can see the views are to Consum. That's a supermarket in Spain, so it's very, as you can see, less than 2 minutes to a supermarket. And here it is a pedestrian street. And yeah, over there at the end of between those 2 buildings we have Avenida Ausiàs March, and which is very well connected to the center. Let's keep going. Here on my right we have the toilet. It is again white, as I said. They have a toilet and a sink and some storage space in here. The whole house is full of storage space. We have plenty of space to storage anything. Here we have the bathroom with a bath, toilet and the sink. Again, very lighty. Sometimes you find apartments that they don't have enough lights or bulbs or whatever. Here you do have. It's everything. They just rebuild it somehow. They made some new stuff, so I think it's quite new in general, and it's cool to come here to live. Here we have the room number 2. We have well, let's have a proper look to it. It's a double bed, and as I said, it's huge storage space. Here we have 2 wardrobes in here, some more wardrobes in here, a lot of mirrors, as you can see. And here we find the balcony that later it's the balcony of the room number 1, and again the Consum, the shop. So let's keep going, and I'm gonna show you now the room number 3. Here it is. It is again, all the rooms in this house have a double bed. It is a double bed with, again, a lot of storage space, huge wardrobe in here, a desk over there with a chair, 2 chairs actually. The views are the same than before, to an internal patio. Not the best, but quite lighty anyway. Last look. And now I'm gonna show you, this fell down before, sorry. Now I'm gonna show you the last room, the room number 3. Here it is. It's a double bed with a wardrobe in there and a small chair, a small table here. So that was it. This was Marc Soler for Spotahome.com Valencia. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.